Hi, good morning, student. Today I'm here with very important terminology which will come across throughout your life until you study mathematics. Okay, so these are the basic things before starting the mathematics of 11th and 12th. You must know this terminology because every time you will get these terms. This is nothing but number system. This one I will explain the number system with examples. Some some terminology you might have learned in class 10th. This is real number. Real number is this is set of all the numbers. Means all rational numbers, irrational numbers, whole number, natural number. Everything comes under real number. Okay. This is set of all numbers. You can say. If we and the symbol for real number is capital R. Example for real number, you can write any number. 1, 0, minus 1, 1.2, minus 1, minus 4 by 3, 3 by 4. These all are real number. Means any number you take, that will be real number. Okay. Next, rational number. Now the same real number is subdivided into two parts, that is rational number and irrational number. What is rational number? This also you might have learned in class 10th. Rational number is a number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer. Here we are saying p and q are integer. What is integer? We will come later. And q should not be 0. Okay, q का वैल्यू 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Here p by q we are saying this q should not be 0. Why not? It should not be 0. If q is 0, then this will be not defined. This will be undetermined value. Okay. Symbol is capital Q. Rational number. Example, if you'll ask, you can write any number which you can write in the form of p by q. Can you write minus 1 in the form of p by q? Yes. Minus 1 by 1. Okay. 5 by 4. 5, 6. These all are rational number. Okay. Remember, rational number is terminating and non-repeating. Rational number is terminating and non-repeating. मतलब ये डिवाइड होने से टर्मिनेट हो जाता है और रिपीट नहीं करता है. ओके. इरेशनल नंबर, जस्ट इरेशनल नंबर, ए नंबर विच इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग, जो ना तो टर्मिनेट हो और ना ही रिपीट हो. ठीक है. रैशनल नंबर टर्मिनेट भी हो जाता है और रिपीट तो होता ही है. वो रिपीट भी होगा और कभी कभी नहीं भी रिपीट होगा, लेकिन टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा. मेन कंसेप्ट हियर इन रैशनल नंबर, इट विल टर्मिनेट. Now see irrational number. Irrational number which will, if you will divide, suppose a number it is given something like suppose 22 by 7. What is this 22 by 7? This is the approximate value of pi. If you will divide 22 by 7, we will not get exactly 3.14. We will get approximately 3.14. 3.14 something it is there. It will never terminate. It will keep on going with different values. So it is non-terminating, non-recurring. So any number which is non-terminating, non-repeating is known as irrational number. Whole number also, you know, it is a number starting from 0 to infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until infinity. It is denoted by capital W. Next, natural number. Natural number starts from 1 to infinity. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinity is natural number. It is denoted by capital N letter. So difference between whole number is whole number starts with 0 to infinity. Natural number starts with 1 to infinity. Now next is integer. Now I told you I will discuss regarding integer. What is integer? In natural number, see, 0 will not come under integer. In natural number, there is, see, integer is divided into two parts: positive integer, negative integer. See, if we say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, these are integer. Integral value minus 1.2, 1.2, 3.4, these are not integer. So what is integer? Natural number. Integer is a natural number only, but it has two parts. We cannot say it is a natural number. We can say it is minus 1, minus 2, 2, 4, minus 3. You can say, can minus 1.5 is integer? No, here decimal. This is decimal. This is not an integer. All these are integer. Okay, all these are, see, all these are integer. This is not integer. So minus 1 to minus infinity come to negative integer. The another two part of integer, positive integer plus 1 to infinity. So it is 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. Here 1 to infinity are positive integer, and here minus 1 to minus infinity is negative integer. Prime number. This prime number now very important. This all might have learned in class 10th. Prime number, a number which is divisible by 1 और itself. मतलब ऐसा नंबर जो 1 या अपने आप से ही डिवाइड हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल, if I will tell 3, can you divide it by any other number? No. 2 also we cannot divide by other number. 5, 7, 11. So all these are prime number, because we cannot divide this number और itself. 1 से ही डिवाइड कर सकते हैं इन सभी को, या तो उन अपने आप से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज को प्राइम नंबर? को प्राइम हैव another terminology also. It is also known as relatively prime or mutually prime. को प्राइम में हम, को प्राइम का मतलब कोई भी नंबर, कोई भी दो इंटीजर हो. अगर इंटीजर मतलब नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. any integer which is any two integer divisible by, मतलब उनमें वन ही सिर्फ एक कॉमन फैक्टर होना चाहिए। जैसे अगर हम 2 और 4 बोलें, क्या ये दोनों को प्राइम है? नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ 2 और 4 में एक 1 भी कॉमन फैक्टर है और 2 भी कॉमन फैक्टर है, तो यहाँ पे 2 कॉमन फैक्टर हो जा रहे हैं। सो देयरफॉर दिस इज नॉट ए को प्राइम। इज 4 and 5 a common factor? Yes, 4 and 5 is, sorry, 4 and 5 are co-prime. Why? Because in 4 factor is 1 and 5 also factor is 1. Other than 1 there is no other common factor. 1 के अलावा कोई और दूसरा कॉमन फैक्टर है ही नहीं। देखिए 4 को अगर हम एक्सपेंड करें तो क्या आएगा? 1 into 2 into 4. Expand means we find its factor. Similarly, if fifth we will expand, what we will get? 1 into 5. So common is what? Only 1. So like this kind of number is only known as co-prime. It is not compulsory that both should be. If we say 7 and 12, are they prime? 7 and 12, yes, they are prime, but 7 and 14 are not prime, because 7 in both 1 and 7 there will be a prime factor, common prime factor. कहने का मतलब कोई भी ऐसा दो नंबर को प्राइम हो सकता है जिसके बीच में केवल 1 ही एक कॉमन फैक्टर है। नेक्स्ट, कंपोजिट नंबर। व्हाट इज कंपोजिट नंबर? दोज नंबर विच इज़ नॉट प्राइम, जो प्राइम नहीं है उसे ही हम कंपोजिट नंबर बोलेंगे। ओके, सो वन होमवर्क आई विल गिव यू एंड आई वांट एवरीवन शुड फॉरवर्ड द होमवर्क. Okay, those who have taken math subject, everyone should forward the homework. Homework is for each number which how much I have dictated here, that is real number, rational number, irrational number, whole number, natural number, integer, positive integer, negative integer, prime number, co-prime number and composite number. I need minimum 4 example of each number. Okay, so before next class be ready with this homework. Thank you very much.